Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Acing Exam. I am Bhumika Sharma and on this channel I teach you SST. Right now we are preparing for term 2 examination for SST class 10th. So I have taught the whole syllabus for term 2 for political science, history and economics, and now we have started with geography. So I have already posted the part 1 video of manufacturing industries. It's on my channel. So after watching this video, do not forget to check description box for the important links. So without any delay, let's just get straight into the video. This is the video for part 2 manufacturing industries. So in last May, we studied about the agro-based industries and now we are going to study about mineral-based industries. So let's get started. So mineral-based industries basically are those industries which comprises of minerals and metals as the raw material of the product. Okay. So the basic industry of mineral industries is iron and steel industry. So it is a key industry. Now just comment fast what is a key industry. I taught you my last part in the first part of this chapter. So just tell fatafat say what do you mean by key industries. Okay. So now raw material for these industries are iron ore, coking coal and limestone within a definite ratio, and the ratio is 4:2:1. This is important. You have to learn it, that what is the ratio of the raw materials required for the iron and steel industries. Okay, and the famous region where these industries are found is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Alright. Now these industries faces some challenges, and what are those challenges? It has irregular power supply, the low labor output, the labor is not at all productive, okay, and high cost of cooking coal. So the raw material cooking coal is very costly and this is one of the challenge they face, and poor infrastructure. The building and the infrastructure, the furniture is not at all good, which makes them inconvenient to work over there. Alright, and now next is aluminium smelting. First of all, aluminium is very important for us, like even our day-to-day life. How? Let's give the biggest basic example of aluminium. You guys pack your food, pack your chapatis in your aluminium foil. So it is one of the application of it, and thus we use many things like aluminium utensils even we use. Okay, so it some of the properties of aluminium are good conductor, it is strong, it is malleable, and it is used in aircrafts, utensils and wires. Alright, so the famous state which are popular for the production of aluminium are West Bengal and Odisha. Okay, and the raw material for aluminium is borite. I hope it's clear. Moving towards the next topic, it says chemical industry. So basically the product produced in such industries are sulfuric acid and nitric acid and plastic. Okay, and the 3% share of GDP is contributed by these industries only. Which industries? Chemical industries. Okay, and now comes fertilizer industries. So the product produced in fertilizer industries is nitrogenous fertilizer, and the raw material is potash, and you cannot find potash anywhere in India because it's imported from other countries. Okay, and the growth of these industries has increased after the Green Revolution. Alright, and India is the third largest producer of fertilizers. Okay, and now comes cement industries. So you all know what is the significance of cement, what are the applications of cement. I do not need to tell you. So the raw material used in cement industries is silica, and the product produced is used for construction. Alright, and the first industry was established in India in 1904 in Chennai. So I hope it's clear. Let's move towards the next topic. Now comes the automobile industries. So the automobile industries basically manufactures the cars and vehicles, and more than 30 industries of automobiles are there in India. Okay, and the hub of automobile, like hub means the famous regions which are famous for automobile industries are Delhi, Pune and Gurgaon. Alright, and now comes the IT industries, the information technology industries. It basically produces the TV, mobile and laptops, and Bangalore is the hub of such industries. I hope it's clear. Now the last but not the least topic of this chapter, the side effects of these industries. So we have learnt about the significance, the application, the importance of such industries, but they do have some side effects on the environment, on the people, on the animals, on the plant, all over the country. Alright, so let's study a few of them. So in what ways does it have side effects? It generates industrial pollution. So some of the pollution is, number one, air pollution. When the content of undesirable toxic material increases in the atmosphere, it creates the air pollution. Okay, and what is that toxic material? That is carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. Alright, and it can even affect human health and plants and animals. Alright, now comes water pollution. The presence of organic and inorganic waste in river has led to water pollution. So you basically know what are these pollution. I do not need to tell you in elaborative way. Okay, so what are those pollutants which are present in water which results in water pollution? Those are chemicals, the dyes which are released through the industries. Alright, and it affects the aquatic life and the quality of water a lot, in a very negative way, which should not be there. Alright, moving towards the next pollution, that is thermal pollution. So what basically thermal pollution is, so when the hot chemicals or hot water from the industries are released into the rivers, it creates thermal pollution. Alright, now comes noise pollution. So it's very simple. You guys know how industries can create noise pollution. The machine and motor sounds creates the noise pollution. Alright, and now we're gonna study that how we can control this. So air pollution can be controlled by growing more trees. Like you know that we cannot just stop manufacturing to control these pollution. So there are some other measures that should be taken, that are to be taken to lessen the effect of the industries. Okay, and for water pollution and thermal pollution, we can cool the water before flowing it into the rivers. We can do water treating. And for noise pollution, we can use in industries soundproof walls are there. Especially the labor working out there, they should use earplugs during the work so that their ears cannot be harmed by the motor and machine sounds. So this ends our chapter, manufacturing industries, and we are left just with one chapter, lifelines of economy. So we are gonna complete it also in like just 2 days. So stay tuned till my next video. Check description box for the links and take care. Bye.